Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my at-home spa night routine. And tonight is special because I'm staying at a lovely inn called Thyme for Bed. I'll leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. First, I'm starting off with some deep treatments. I like to clean my face with a gentle cleanser first to make sure I start off with a clean palette. I use an Aveeno foam cleanser. All the products on this video will be listed down below. Now I'm going to start with my hair. During the winter, hair and skin can get so dry, so besides taking supplements, I think it's important to deep condition hair according to its needs. Then I like to put it in a bun so it's out of the way. And there's my son playing in the bathtub next to me. Now it's time for face masks. I have this hibiscus one and some anti-aging ones. I'm going with anti-aging because it has deep hydration, which is great for keeping skin soft, moisturized, and wrinkle-free. Since I'm already waiting on the masks, I'm also going to put on some whitening strips. Then I'm just going to have some quiet time while I wait for all of my deep treatments to work their magic. This is the time where I relax, paint my nails, or read a magazine or book, and I love that this room has a fireplace. After taking off my mask, there's always serum left over, and I like to wait until it all dries and give myself a face massage to help it penetrate into my skin. When doing face massages, you want to make sure to gently dab or glide your fingers up and outward. Studies have shown that people who practice this show signs of aging at a much slower rate. Now I'm just making sure I rinse out all of the hair treatment. Now it's time to moisturize and get ready. Like I said, winter brings dry skin, so remember to exfoliate and use a great moisturizer. I'm using a chamomile and argan oil baby lotion with frankincense and myrrh because it smells great and it keeps my skin soft without being greasy. Last, I'm moisturizing my hair with a little bit of argan oil so that my hair is really soft when it dries, and putting on my makeup. I really love a classic red lip. This red matte lip color from Rimmel is a go-to. It goes really well with this green dress. And that's it, I'm ready for my evening. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and hope to see you guys soon. Bye!